Your video. Guys, today we are at this touristing spot. We have some visitors, and today these are the visitors. They are sitting in the train stone, and the background is a paddy field. There is a farmer giving medicine to the vegetables. And in our background we have a car washer. They are hiding behind the car and inside the car, and you can see only the leg. You see, leg. I can go and talk to them and interview them if they have passed the job or not. Hey, have you passed this job?
Yes.
Do you think you'll be selected as a car washer?
Maybe one day.
And what about this guy? What is your feeling about this interview today? You got this job to wash the car.
I'm just helping.
You're just helping?
Yes, I'm not even qualified.
You are not qualified to wash the car?
Yes.
So what makes you come to wash car to this such beautiful place? Because such beautiful places are meant only to come and visit, not to wash car, no?
Yes, yes. So, what do you think? Is it clean now?
According to my judgment,
Yes.
both of you will pass if you appear to my car washer job.
Car washing.
Car washing job. Look guys, this visitor is dancing in front of the best viewpoint in the world. You can keep on dancing, we can keep on watching. Don't feel shame, don't feel shame. Oh, you're feeling shy. I thought you were feeling shame. Come on. Oh, the view here also is very beautiful. Look, the paddy field is endless. It's endless. It's endless. Till the tip of my finger. Oh, can you see? Can you see? There it is. And look at this guy saying bye-bye endlessly. Bye-bye to the windshield. I don't know what that means, but I mean he's saying bye-bye to everyone. Do you mean to say bye-bye, or you are...
Just an action.
It's just an action? Okay, okay. I thought you were saying bye-bye, and how can he say bye-bye? We are not inside the car yet. And brother, why are you carrying that teapot?
I am going to pick up some germs.
Some germs?
Germs.
You think there are a lot of germs here in this touristing spot?
Yes, I saw them.
And those sticks you are carrying around?
Yes, these are like the spoons of the thing to pick them.
You need spoons to pick the germs.
Yes, because you have to very hard, hairy, you know. Those
They
are dangerous to our hands.
and they can stab you from anywhere.
Yeah.
Very dangerous. Okay, friend, we'll see what kind of germs are this. Look, guys, next door to us there is a kind of office which plays engine whole day, and this engine supply water to our village. Wow, what a beautiful view. And we are almost reaching.
We are in the territory of the germs.
Yes, and when you come here you must be very careful. First and foremost you have to wear slipper, because unknowingly they will stab your feet, and you might say, oh my god, and you say help me. Then If no one is there to help, you will die. We find one. We find one, but this is not the kind we are looking for. This is not wanted. They can stab you, but their knife is very soft. We are looking for some hard knife body. Hey, you guys are looking for this dangerous germs, or you are coming to Romarau? You and guys,
the one you've read.
when you come to this place, you will find something like this. Oh, it's not focusing. You see, this is called a pot flower. Wild pot flower. It's looking like a pot. You see, very beautiful. He's Justin Biebering. Oh, very beautiful. And he's calling somebody. Unfortunately, we find some frog house. See, frog house. If you feel like eating, you can eat, but you will die. You want to shandur? Okay. Guys, I will shandur first, then we'll talk again later. Guys, we couldn't find any germs here. So here the master is coming. He's looking, I think, coming with the master to... we will find one. If you find one, we will show you what kind of germs it is. Oh, it's very dangerous task and very difficult task to find the germs, because if you find one also, only one, it will be very tasty. Guys, I will show you some magic, and this magic is that now these people are here. In a second from here, they'll be there. Look at these people. They're still looking and they couldn't find one. I think they will go home empty-handed. And coming home empty-handed, so mother will scold us. Let me go with the master. I think master has found one. Have you found one?
Not yet.
This master.
Gone home. They have gone under.
Because it's getting dark, I think they are going home, eh?
Yes.
That's why you will not find the playground. You will find them in their home. I think let's go to their home, eh?
Their home. You have to dig them to go to their home.
Guys, unfortunately, we couldn't find anything.
It's because of the dark.
No germs, so this place is good to come. No germs at all. We do not find any germs. So 100% safe, 99.9% germs free. So one last look to our beautiful touristing spot. And behind this forest, you remember, there was a lake, and it's still there. Run! Look! People are running. I have never seen people running. Wow! In this place, people can run. Wow!
I never knew people could run. How? And you are taking.
Look, this blogger. This blogger is trying to copy my skill. No, you put down the camera. You should not do. You should not copy other skill.
It's all about competition.
Run!
Tell me who invented this running.
Who invented?
Look at this Akbhabru Baha.
Who invented what?
There is on.
Huh?
Who invented this running?
The surrounding.
This running.
Who invented this running?
What running?
I don't know.
Said that I don't know people are running.
I don't know what is wrong.
I think you guys have invented the method of running. I never knew.
Can you speak?
No, I can't speak. I just spoke.
Do you understand English?
No, I understand.
Oh. What are you? Are you an insect?
No.
I think you guys are germs. What is that?
No guys, I think I need better because this one germ is trying to catch me and get me infected.
Look at the what? Look at this sheep. She is the scattered sheep.
I think it's a cow.
I think Jesus will going to rescue her. She's the lost sheep. Black, eh? She's the lost sheep. Oh no, she has company, and this black sheep is here. Baba black sheep, go and run to white sheep. Go now. She's lonely. I think she's a she because black almost he is always he. Black is always he. And he's Mẹ Ying again. It's Mẹ Ying. It's Mẹ like that.